Hello everyone, are you ready to start investing but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly investment apps that make investing simple and fun. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. First app is Acorns. This app automatically invests your spare change from everyday purchases. It's perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach to building wealth. Just connect your debit or credit card, and Acorns takes care of the rest. Next is Robinhood. Known for its user-friendly interface, this app allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrency with no commission fees. It's great for beginners who want to learn by action. Stash. Stash makes investing easy by offering curated portfolios and educational content. It's perfect for beginners who want guidance while starting their investment journey. Webull. Webull is a great option if you're ready to learn more about the stock market. While it offers advanced tools, it's still free to use, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to explore deeper. Finally, there's eToro. This app stands out with its social investing feature, where you can follow and copy strategies of top investors. It's a great way to learn by watching others succeed. Here's a bonus tip: start small and stay consistent. With any of these apps, you can begin investing with as little as $5 and gradually grow your portfolio over time. Which app are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who's ready to start investing.